Hello my dear family and welcome back to our channel In Love with the Truth with Neha Baveja. And today it's been after I think a long time that I'm shooting my video because I've been busy with a lot of things. So yes, I am back with my next video. So I would say that there's something what I had experienced like few days back, and I just thought to why not to share it with you, right? And that's the reason I just thought to make this video. So but before that, I would say that if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have not press the bell icon so that you can receive all the notifications. Okay, so actually for some reason I have to fly to Malaysia, and today I'm in Malaysia only. I'm in Penang. Okay, and before coming to Malaysia, I was actually looking out. So I for some purpose I need to have a red basically red top. Okay, and I was like I'd gone to the market, I'd gone to the mall. Okay, and I was so in desperate looking for that red t-shirt that okay fine, somewhere I could I can find out. I had figured out I had got all the, I would say, colors, but I was not able to get a red colored t-shirt. Okay, and I was like, this is not done. Red is a very common color. Why I'm not getting my t-shirt? Okay, and I was looking, but at the same time it was like almost 3-4 hours I was searching for it, but I couldn't find even a single top. From going to West Side Lifestyle, to local markets, to Max, to Reliance Trends also. Okay, so I was actually looking out for all those things. I was actually looking out for a red t-shirt. Okay, and I was not able to figure out that from where I can get, and I was in so much desperation. No, I really want to have. And finally there's a new brand, I think it is of Tata's only, Zudio karke. So I just went there, I searched the entire that shop, whatever you call shop only. Okay, 1-2 floors. So I women wale floor pe I was like desperately looking out, but I couldn't find even red color over there. Okay, so while I was just going out, I happened to see one of the night suits over there, and I was like nightwear, I was like pajama and t-shirt. I was like, it is looking good, so let me just go and try. Okay, and while I was going into the dressing room, I just happened to wear that, I tried that, and while coming out, I just happened to check with that person, ki, do you have a red color t-shirt? He said, no ma'am, we don't have a red color t-shirt, but still you want to check any colors, so you can go at the last counter पे आपको मिल जाएगा. मैंने कहा ओके. सो मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है, मिलने उसने ही मना कर दिया तो अब क्या फ़ायदा. ओके, so I just happened to, I was just roaming around, I was just checking the stuff what all they have. Okay, so मैंने देखा तो I could find a red color t-shirt. Okay, and I was so happy that finally I found a red color. Message over here is not that जो भी आप चीज़ मांगो शिद्दत से, right, वो पूरी कायनात जो उसको आपसे मिलाने के लिए लग जाती है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. Okay, now I tell you the real meaning of what I got. Okay, so after roaming for good 4 to 5 hours, okay, searching for a red color t-shirt, and in the last it was my zid ki okay, I will figure out, but I will get a red color t-shirt. Okay, but the moment I stepped into my house and I was packing my stuff, and my help Meena, okay, so she said that, Arey Bhabhi, why have you got this red color t-shirt? You already have a red color t-shirt. And I had completely forgotten about that. Do you know what lesson I learned from here? That when you're not able to find out what you really desire for, that means universe has some other plans, but if you will interrupt in those plans, you will not get the best results. You will only get the best results when you just surrender and when you just let go of the things. Right, so that was such a boom karke, I had this learning that no, I was so stupid of this thing, right? I was looking out for a yellow color t-shirt also, but at the same time, thankfully that t-shirt I didn't find because I had a yellow color shirt, right? And I was like, oh man, I wasted my money. It was just $400, but still it was waste of money, don't you think so? And I was like, you know what, I will never interrupt in whatever is coming my way, whether the things are working out in my favor or whether the things are not working out in my favor. How does it matter? I will just surrender to the universe, and I will just, make things like, let the universe take over. Why? I'm nobody, actually. Nobody to, plan out anything, or nobody to, you know, decide that I am gonna do this. No, I'm nobody. Isn't it such a profound, thing? And it's just that, when you're conscious about yourself, and you're aware about your surroundings, you actually get all these learnings, and it's not difficult. Isn't it like that? It's absolutely not difficult. With this, I would like to, close down my video, and I would just say that, whatever you have learned, please share your comments, so that, I would come to know that what you are learning from my videos. Are you also getting my messages right? And I would say that like the video, comment on the video, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you can receive all, and press the bell icon, press the bell icon so that you can receive all the notifications. And with this, I would say peace. Babush.